guys, we are still exploring around the dry river. Back there you can see some very nice apartment over the road there, but the river is not very far from there. Look at this, very dry river, but during the rain season it usually have a lot of water. Then we have a lot of acacia trees down here, some of them very old. So let's go inside the river. It's very dry, in fact. Look at this. I really like this. A lot of stones. Let's go and explore down here. So currently we are in the center of the river, and you have beautiful rocks over here for decorations. You can use them to decorate your footpath, your bathroom. Then we have a very beautiful acacia tree over here. Look at this. And down here you have very nice rocks. Look at this. They look, some of them look slippery, but let's go a bit further. Some are very dark. In fact, you can go a bit down the river here, but I don't want to disturb. Yes, let's go back like this. A very nice place to relax. Look at that view. Look at that view. Acacia trees all over. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Look at those trees. Very beautiful, well arranged. Look at that. And so nice. Let's go on the other side. On the other side we don't have a lot of rocks. I also have got a big cave here, but I don't want to go very far. This place is magnificent for relaxing. It's very cool, quiet. Look at this. Look at this. So we are still down, we are going up the river now. Totally dry. Look at this. Wow. Somehow scaring, but very beautiful. Look at those beautiful trees. Very nice. Very, very nice. This river is totally dry. I think you can go as far as you want, but I want to show you some of the magnificent features we have here. So that is the acacia. They look, they seem very old. And I believe we have some shepherds here, people who are grazing. Yes. So I want to go back. Look at this tree. A fallen tree. Wow. Look at those beautiful acacia trees. Wow. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next episode.